It's really delicious. I freaking love it. Ugh. I already have one. It goes bad pretty fast though. Is there any more hiccups? Yeah. Alright, sorry guys, I just had to prop my phone up. Because I'm playing hiccups. I'm getting the hiccups out of playing video games. While streaming. Oops.